Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Mud Pottery on the Homestead. And today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a couple of breakfast ideas. I know I've got several breakfast videos on here, but and I had planned on doing a few more videos, but I just didn't get around to it. So I hope you get some ideas from this video. This is just simple, frugal meals that you don't have to spend a lot of money at the grocery store on. We have chickens, so we have plenty of eggs, flour, if you have yeast, if you have sourdough, you can make. There's lots of ideas out there for that, but I'm just going to show you a few that we did this week. So I hope you guys enjoy. On the very first morning of the recording that I did, we're just doing a simple, easy breakfast of bacon and eggs. The bacon is some bacon that I had picked up from the local butcher shop in town, and it was really good, fresh bacon. And then we just fried up some eggs that we got from our chickens, and it was a cheap, easy, quick breakfast before we got ready to go out to the pottery shed for the day. This is how Justin's eating his egg and bacon sandwich. Is it good?
Yeah. Easy this way.
Brody just gets him some bacon on the go. On day 2, we did a sourdough cinnamon roll. We actually got this started the night before. So when you see me doing this, it's going to be the night before. And the ingredients for the sourdough cinnamon rolls calls for a half a cup of fed sourdough starter, a half a cup of water, 4 cups of flour, a half a cup of melted coconut oil, a half a cup of honey. But if you don't want to use honey, you can actually use some sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And you mix this up the night before. I use my stand mixer to mix the dough up, and then we're going to let it rest overnight. So it's the next morning, and the first thing I'm doing, I'm going ahead and going to mix my filling up, which you're going to be using half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And you just mix this up, and that's what we're going to spread for our filling on our cinnamon rolls. we're gonna add a half a cup of heavy whipping cream over the top. And we're just gonna cover these back up and we're gonna let them rise for about 20 to 30 minutes. But if you don't wanna wait 20 or 30 minutes to let them rise, you can pop them in the oven and they'll still come out great. What do you want to eat?
Cinnamon roll.
Is it gonna be good?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute, let it cool a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank y'all for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to subscribe. We would like for you to like this video, and we love to read your comments. So we hope that you have a great night, and we will see you guys next time.